Hi, Louie 29. Guys, I just posted a new TikTok video. Anyway, alam ko deep down, hindi ko na kayo kailangan tanongin. Alam ko na-enjoy nyo tong chit-chat lives ko. Like, guys, I spill some secrets and tea here. Why wouldn't you enjoy? Number 1, okay? Number 2, I've been thinking na I think I should continuously go live and like just chika and tell you some tea, tell you some chika. Kasi minsan ang epal ng mga friends ko, ayaw nila sumagot. Kamukha mo si sino? Anyway, so kayo na lang kausap ko. Kap, ba't di na yung lumilipad? Next year nga. Ayoko lumipad this year. Next year na ako lilipad. Because honestly, I did try pagsabayin, mag-business, mag-influencer, and mag-pilot. Ang hirap niyang pagsabayin, lalo na if nagsa-study ka. So, yeah, next year na. Next year, once stable na lahat ng business ko and wala na akong gustong i-open na business, for the meantime, I will continue flying. Ayoko naman yung mag-enroll ako. Tapos, masasayang ko lang kasi hindi ako makapag-aral kasi sobrang dami kong ginagawa. 'Di ba? Sayang lang. She's smiling, okay, wala. May bala ka po ba mag-airlines? Yes! That is my dream! I want to be an airline pilot. That is like my ultimate dream. Pero for now, nag-open ako ng clothing brand, Staples. Nag-open may social media business ako. I'm in the works of opening another business with 2 partners, different ones. I'm not gonna disclose now. And like, may isa pa akong dream project na pinag-iipunan ko. And nag-open ako ng Airbnb. So, like, ang dami natin ginagawa this time, guys. How about vlogging? I miss your vlogs. Aw, thank you. I will go back to vlogging. I'm just a little bit overwhelmed with everything that I'm doing right now. So, but I will. Just be patient, you know. If you love me, be patient. Love is patient. Love is kind. Anyway, so ayun. Oh my gosh, nakwento ko na ba sa inyo? If napanood niyo yung Staples TikTok video, yung may mga in-interview kaming strangers. Napanood niyo ba yun? Yung may in-interview kaming, what about OF? Anong OF? Ano yung OF? OnlyFans? Ew. I mean, sorry, no offense. Well, actually, no, that's not me. What? Mi, apakaganda mo, airline pilot, please. Oh, thank you. Is OF pa is OnlyFans? I don't know. But like, sorry, no hate for the people doing it, but I'm not gonna do that. Like, there ain't no way. Like, I have enough money. I don't need to thirst trap to get money. It just feels so wrong. OF eh. FO yung first officer eh. Mute daw ako. Mute ba ako? So yeah, I don't see myself ever joining yung mga OF na yan or anything like that. Like, basically, alam nyo ba guys? No, I will never join. I have enough money. Like, if I was like, siguro if I have like, I don't know, like I don't need it. Like, why would I even do that, right? I don't know. Cause it just doesn't feel right. Kasi alam nyo ba guys, sa Dubai, merong mga like I've heard this from other people na nagsa-social media influencer, and they've gotten like gigs in Dubai where like they will literally get paid 30,000 to 150,000 a night, not to even sleep with anybody, just to. Looks like Kirana Larasati. Who's Kirana Larasati? Teka, tingnan natin. Sino si Lirana Larasati? Nirana Lara. Oh. Lirana? It's Kirana, I think. Guys, kamukha ko daw siya. Kamukha ko ba siya? I really love your turkey vlog. Well, thank you. Anyway, so, story time. May story time tayo. So, naalala nyo ba yung Staples na interview video ko? Like, nag-interview ako ng strangers. Tapos, shinip nyo ako and yung unang guy na in-interview ko. 'Di ba? Tapos, inaya niya ako makipag-date. Kahapon ba yun? The other day, nag-date kami. Na, you look more like Casby. Aw, thank you. Nung other day, nag-date kami and pinagluto niya ako. And in fairness, guys, ang galing niya magluto. Na-videohan ko ng konti. I'm gonna upload like an update about that. Tapos today, mag-yoga kami. Pretty nice, pretty nice. He's smiling. And another story time. So, another story time is yung dating significant other ko nagparamdam, 'di ba? Like, alam niyo naman 'yun. Tapos, naging medyo friends kami. Tapos, like, minsan pagka sad siya or like may mga questions siya about life kasi syempre like nobody will know you so deeply apart from like your partner kasi like sabi nga nila, 'di ba, you show your good and your bad colors sa partner mo tapos you guys work through that. So syempre like since we were in a serious relationship, like I've seen the good, I've seen the bad. So parang ako yung naging natanungan niya about like self-improvement and stuff, which is so good. Tapos parang I also asked like question kasi like may napanood ako na parang relatable about us. Tapos hindi so pretty, madam. Mac Goldies. So pretty, madam. Oh, thank you. Wait lang, guys. May yoga kasi ako. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Bumili ako ng mga perfume sa Zara. They smell so frigging good. Wait. Let's do a haul! Let's do a haul! How many languages do you speak? I speak a little bit of a few languages. Obviously, Tagalog, English, Urdu, yun. Anyway, I bought 3 perfumes. So, sobrang love na love ko yung Zara perfumes. Love ko yung Rose Gourmand. Hindi ko alam, like, ang long-lasting ng Zara perfumes. Like, legit, hindi sponsored to kasi hindi naman nagsisponsor si Zara eh. Hindi naman sila nagsisponsor eh. So, sobrang love ko yung Red Temptation. Like, secret pa bango ko yun na ginagatekeep ko. Na magagalit pa nga ata siguro si Lovely sa akin kapag ka sinabi ko sa inyo. Kasi like, secret namin dalawa yun. Kasi pareho namin na-discover. Like, kami ni Lovely, ang hilig namin mag-share ng mga secret products na ayaw namin i-share sa ibang tao. But, thank you, Mona Lisa. Love your beauty. So, ito, ang favorite kong pabango sa Zara, 3. Actually, 4. Yung violet na, nasa taas, ayoko nang kunin. Yung violet na, letter O. Ayan, ito na lang. Ito. Wait, hanapin ko. Zara perfume. Gardenia. Okay. So, ito yung itsura niya. Si Gardenia. Ito si Gardenia. Sobrang bango niyan. Kaamoy niya actually si YSL Black Opium. I also love Golden Decade, Zara Golden Decade. Ang kaamoy naman niya is si YSL Libre. And then, I also love Rose Gourmand. Naamoy ko to sa friend ko. And sobrang long-lasting ng Rose Gourmand. And last but not the least, yung Red Temptation. Kaamoy nun si Baccarat Rouge 540. Like, ang daming nag-amoy sa akin. Tapos laging nilang tinatanong, naka-Baccarat ka ba? Naka-Baccarat ka ba? Tapos, umuoo lang ako. Pero ang totoo, naka-Zara perfume lang talaga ako. Nakasanga. Oo lang ako. But anyway, today, naglabas yung Zara ng mga bagong pabango. Naglabas sila. So, naglabas sila ng Love Explosion, which is halo ng Red Temptation and Rose Gourmand. And then, of course, bumili ako ng maliit na Red Temptation para may dala-dala ako pag umaalis ako. And, meron silang linabas na dalawang version ng Red Temptation na bago. Dati, di ba, may winter and summer na Red Temptation. So, sobrang sikat nung pabango na yun. Naglabas sila ng bagong like versions. Ngayon, naglabas na naman sila ng bago, sweet and floral. I-compare nga natin. Gusto nyo bang i-compare ko? O ayaw nyo? Ano? Do you guys want me to compare it? Nag-live nga ako para may kausap ako eh. Tapos wala naman sumasagot. Go girl. Thank you, Mona Lisa. O, compare natin. Guys, as in, hindi kayo makakalimutan nung crush nyo or nung ka-date nyo. Pag ito yung pabango nyo, as in, oh my God. Yung, di ba naka-date ko nga si Leo? Like, yung guy sa Staples. Inamoy niya ako, tapos sabi niya, oh my gosh, are you using Baccarat? Sabi niya gano'n. Siyempre, umuo ako. Kahit hindi naman talaga. sabi niya, only rare people know that. Not a lot of people know that perfume. Blah, blah, blah. Only the rarest of the rarest. This is my favorite when girls wear this. Guys, swear, lahat ng nakadate ko, yun yung pabango ko, hindi nila ako makalimutan. As in, like yung isa kong crush dati, naalala ko, nag-Spartan race siya. Ang lakas kasi nung amoy nung pabangong yun. So, nag-Spartan race siya, tinext niya ako, andito ka ba? Tapos sabi ko, hindi, bakit? Tapos sabi niya, kasi naamoy kita. Isipin niyo yun, guys. Nagta-triathlon siya, nag-Spartan race siya, tapos ako yung naisip niya. I swear, ang bango nun. Okay, so ito yung Zara Red Temptation. Okay. Nilagyan ko ng pabango yun. So, saan ko ilalagay? Kasi nag-shopping ako sa Zara, so naglagyan ko ng pabango. Ayan, compare natin yung mga Red Temptation. So, ito yung original. Aamuin ko siya. Wait lang. Ito nga ang Red Temptation. Ito yung pabango. Lagi akong kino-compliment dito. Bakit? Wait lang. So, Zara guys, Zara. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-buy ng mahal na perfume. Not unless gusto nyo ng sobrang long-lasting na. Pero long-lasting na siya. For me, long-lasting na siya. Pero, of course, meron pang mas long-lasting. Pero, comparing sa mga most perfumes out there, long-lasting na siya. Sige, lagay na lang. Nag-burp ako. Lagay natin sa back of my hand. Kebelet Berak. Ano yan? Kebelet Berak. I'm so sorry. I don't understand what you're saying, Rick Ann. Ang bango niya talaga. So, okay. Ito naman si Love Explosion. What did you do for your workout today? Glutes. May message ko tong si Lovely. Kasi addict kami sa pabango. Babe, oh my gosh. Run to Zara right now. Naglabas sila ng iba't ibang version ng Red Temptation. And naglabas sila ng Red Temptation X Rose Gourmand. Parang pinaghalo ng dalawang perfume. Run, girl! Run! Okay, yun lang. In-apply ko lang yung bestie ko. Okay, so, the difference is, magkaiba yung amoy nila. Magkaiba yung amoy nila. Ito si Red Temptation kasi, parang may pagka-sweet. Lalo na pag may pagka-sweet, pero hindi siya OA na sweet ha. Like, parang ang sarap mo. Okay, so sabi dito, ang Red Temptation daw, meron siyang bakit ganun? Walang explanation. Okay, gym routine. Okay, so pareho silang may floral scent. Itong Red Temptation at saka Love Explosion. Pero mas musky si Red Temptation and mas may pagka-floral si Love Explosion. Amoy sweet ka na hindi yung candy na pangbata. It's like, fuck, bakit ang hirap mag-describe ng perfume? Ang hirap. Okay, try muna natin itong isang sweet na version. Ito natin lagay. Oh my God. Ang bango. Ang bango nung sweet. Okay, if meron mang pinaka-musky sa kanila, itong si Red Sweet Temptation. Alam nyo ba yung musky? Okay lang, wag nyo nang alamin. Hindi, joke lang. Okay. So, try Hypnotic Vanilla. So, ito. Another thing that I would like to add. So, alam niyo yung, there's this like addicting smell na yung smell ng leather, apart from sweet siya, tandaan nyo, lahat to may Red Temptation. So, sweet siya. Pero itong sweet na Red Temptation, meron siyang amoy na nakaka-addict. Alam niyo yung feeling na nakukuha nyo kapag ka pumasok kayo sa bagong kotse or umamoy kayo ng leather. Like, yung amoy leather or amoy bagong kotse, di ba? Like, if iisipin nyo, medyo weird siya, pero for some reason, ang bango niya, nakaka-addict siya, gusto mo siyang amuyin ng amuyin. Ganon yung feeling na nakukuha nyo. Ganon si Red Sweet Temptation. Ang sweet niya, tapos meron siyang ganong scent. Parang I smell like leather. Yung leather na gusto mong amuyin ng paulit-ulit na nakaka-addict. Yun siya. Okay. Yung sweet, hindi ko ma-explain kung paano siya naging sweet. Like, basta sweet yung scent. Like, di ba sometimes when you smell perfume, like, you can either like already categorize it if sa sweet ba siya o sa floral ba siya or sa coconut ba siya. It smells sweet. Parang example, may pagka-vanilla, ganon. Sweet. Okay, so si Love Explosion, mas floral. Ito yung kung meron pinaka-floral sa kanila, si Love Explosion yun. Dahil siguro sa Rose Gourmand na halo. Tapos itong si Red Temptation, yung original na sweet lang. Alam ko na kung anong susuotin ko today. Ang bango nito. I love it. Okay, workout routine. Workout routine is, babe, sobrang bango nung Red Sweet Temptation, as in, mas mabango pa siya sa Red Temptation. It's addictive. Kailangan mo siyang bilhin. Yun lang, bye. Okay, so, workout routine. I actually bought a workout course from an international coach, instructor. Tapos I only follow that. So, now, dati kasi, nung nag-workout ako 3 times a week, nasa-stress masyado yung katawan ko. Tapos nagiging bloated ako. Like, nagbo-bloat ako. Have you tried Zara a perfume in a rose? No, kasi hindi ako sobrang fan ng super floral and na scents. Gusto ko may sweetness. Like, gusto ko yung parang ang sarap, gusto mong kainin, ganun. Manila paddle, so, sometimes Manila paddle, pero pag lifting days ko, I work out in Pretty Huge. Kasi complete sila, may running din, if gusto mong tumakbo, tas like naiinitan ka sa labas. Tapos, yeah, so I only lift weights twice a week. Kasi dati, nung 3 times a week, tumataba ako because like, I'm bloated. Ang pretty. Oh, thank you, NV and Sybil. And then, ngayon na lang uli ako start mag-workout. Kasi nag-stop ako for 2 months. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng hormonal imbalance. Nagkaroon ako ng, may PCOS ako. Tapos parang, naggamot kasi ako and I was like adjusting dun sa medication. Story time po doon sa humingi ng number mo. Haha. Actually, pinost ko sa TikTok yung story time nung kanina. May humingi ng number ko. But anyway. So, another thing is, hi, Kim! So, another thing is, I try to do Pilates once a week, and then hot yoga. Kirana, you are so pretty. Hehe. I'm not Kirana. Anyway, guys, yun lang. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me right now. I'm gonna go work out. I have a yoga class today. So, yung yoga class ko is sound and relaxation. I used to struggle meditating, and if kayo yung taong overthinker, may anxiety kayo, and may ADHD kayo, and ang onti ng attention span ninyo, I highly suggest kayo sound relaxation yoga. For the first time in my life, nakakapag-meditate ako. I used to not to. Are you dating guys? Of course. So, yeah. Yeah. Like, you can use my code Shanika, VidaXShanika10 for 10% off. But yeah, it's very helpful. Especially, I feel like I'm not diagnosed, but I feel like I have ADHD. What's your fave perfume? Ayun na nga, sinabi ko na nga, nag-perfume haul na nga ako dito eh. Ito gagamitin ko today. Yeah? May tanong pa ba kayo? Guys, gusto ko lumipat na sa TikTok kasi like, I need to start going live there. Pero same pa rin naman yung content. Kaso, andito kasi kayo eh. I love ko kayo kakwentuhan. Wala kayo sa TikTok. Ang boring nung mga kausap ko sa TikTok kasi hindi ko alam. Parang hindi sila interactive. At saka hindi pwedeng magpatugtog dito. Your eyes are like teary. Talaga ba? A guy ran 2 blocks. Teshani, kanina kayo friends ni Tony Sia? Um, um, hindi ko alam kung paano ko sasagutin yung tanong na yan. But it's fine. Hindi naman kami nag-aaway. It's more of like... it's more of like... I think... How would you know if like mo ang guy? Well, go out with them. You will never know if you don't go out with them. Kasi sometimes you like them physically, pero... Sometimes you like them physically, pero di mo gusto ugali nila. Or like, you... Gets mo? Dami mong friends dati na di na kayo friends ngayon. Well, that's normal. That's life. Like, as you grow older, you literally change and you find some things are more important than others. And hindi all the time nagkakasundo. But that doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with you. It just means that like you're being selective. Especially ako yung type ng tao na ang dami ko talagang friends. So, dahil marami kang friends, maraming ring, mas malaking chance na mag-drift away kayo ng friends mo, gets mo? Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao makakasundo mo eh. Like, if mas onting friends mo, mas onting chances na mabawasan ka ng friends. Kasi onti lang friends mo eh, gets mo? Pero it doesn't mean na hindi ka mababawasan ng friends. I'm just very friendly and marami akong friends. And, of course, parang Newton's third law of motion. For every reaction, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, if nadadagdagan friends mo, nababawasan na yung friends mo. It's normal. Marami ka siguro sinisin sa IG na guy. I don't know. I don't think so. Hi ate, ask ko lang po, ano gagawin mo if makikita mo ex mo? Like, unexpectedly ma-meet mo siya. I would... It depends. How did you guys end? If you guys ended in good terms, I would say hi. Love you. What is your take if naka-date mo hindi gaano ka-rich like you? Okay, so I'm gonna be honest here. I'm 27 and dating just to get to know people is fine. Like it's not like that super important. Pero like marrying is a different parang different standard. Gets mo? Like if the guy isn't as rich as me, I think honestly speaking, it's fine if he has a goal to be successful. Pero if he's just not, I don't think we're ever gonna be compatible. Kasi sobrang fire ako eh. Like, I like going for what I want. I'm very hardworking and all that. And at some point, like, hindi naman tayo lahat pare-pareho ng level or ng timeline. Like, some people are like later on sila naging successful. As long as like they have a plan for themselves, they have dreams, they have goals, and they're working on that, and they're on the path. That's like something I consider. Kasi before I have dated, no offense, I have dated a guy tas parang he was only relying on his parents' money. Parang allowance. Tas eventually, tumanda na siya. Tas hindi na siya binibigyan ng allowance ng parents niya. Tapos, yung lifestyle niya was same pa din. Like, nanilibre siya ng mga barkada namin. Tapos, we're gonna check in sa 5-star hotel. Gonna fly here, fly somewhere. Tapos, dumating sa point na umuutang na siya sa akin. Tapos, I was just like 20 years old during this time. And when you're 20, 130,000 is big big sa'yo. I'm not gonna name drop kung sino to. Can we just like respect? Like, I'm sharing stuff with you guys, and then like you guys are like asking like more. Can you please be respectful, guys? Like, I don't want to ever feel like I can't share with you guys. But this is like a very, like, one of the lessons that I did learn that na parang preference ko in dating. So that's why it's important to date, so you know what you want. So going back to the story, yun na nga, dumating sa point na I was 20 and like he owed me money, and it was like a big for me at the time. It was big na for me. It was 6 digits, you know. And then and then ayun, parang I don't know, like at some point in the relationship, I didn't feel like he inspires me, because like how could I feel that if he's like always borrowing money from me? Like, you know, parang as a girl, maybe for me anyways, like one of the things I value in a partner is like someone I could look up to and, you know, get inspiration from, and like would fuel me to work harder. Parang ganun. So, na-realize ko na very important pala for me is when in dating is like a guy who has like dreams and goals and who works towards them. Cause yeah, that was like a lesson for me. Okay, may nagtanong, what if corporate guy? Actually, there are corporate guys who are like corporate work, people who work in corporate that are like, you know, successful. You don't need to be an entrepreneur to be successful. Like you could honestly be a project manager of something, of like a company, or like you could be in tech or something. Like people become successful in the corporate world. Anyway, guys, I'm leaving na. I'm leaving na. I'm gonna go to my workout. Bye! Nabayaran po ba? Hindi ko na siya siningil. Hindi ko na lang siya siningil. Nung una sinisingil ko siya, pero hindi ko na, like, hinayaan ko na lang. Let go ko na. Kasi he was nice naman. He was nice, but yeah. Yun, sayang. Pero okay lang. Like, you live and you learn. Feel ko blessed naman ako ni God with other things. Bye, guys! I have my workout pa. Workout din kayo today. Huwag kayong tamarin. Bye!